I have no idea what to call this recipe. I was thinking of sunset cauliflower, but when I posted it on stories, it got called a pleasure volcano, which I thought was pretty cool. So let me know which one you think suits it the most. So it's a whole roasted spicy harissa collie with tahini sauce and crispy chickpeas. It was absolutely delicious, and it would make the perfect centerpiece when you've got people over for dinner. Start by boiling the cauliflower for 5 minutes, then let that steam off for 10 minutes whilst you mix the marinated ingredients together. Then cover the cauliflower really well, get into all those crevices. Then roast that for 45 minutes whilst you mix the harissa tahini ingredients together. Then roughly bash up some nuts and toast with a little bit of salt. Then plate up your cauli and enjoy.